Hi, my name is Catherine. I'm 55 years old and was born in the Philippines. I lived in West Wiltshire, the southwest part of England, for almost half of my life. I have traveled substantially and have lived in Singapore and Japan. I can speak English, Tagalog, and fluent in Filipino dialect in southern part of the Philippines. I am an active Filipino influencer with my travels and social gathering and TikTok dances. I am friendly, easy to get along with, lively and fun to be with. I am a nature lover. I love long walks, climbing hills and long drives. I love singing and dancing but not professionally. Being a Filipino, we're known as hardworking and caring. I am very passionate and enthusiastic to learn new things. I believe with my quirky personalities, I can be a great part of the team. Thank you and looking forward to hearing from you soon. Bye!